Welcome to Perlman Quadrangle and Irvine Auditorium. Irvine Auditorium is a non-smoking facility. Restrooms are located on the lower and second balcony levels. Vending machines and payphones are located only on the lower level. Assisted listening devices are available upon request. Please take time to note the exit clearly marked at the front and rear of the auditorium. If for some reason there is an emergency, please use these exits to vacate the building in an orderly fashion. For your safety and the safety of others, after exiting, please move away from the building as far as possible. Please take the time now to silence all cell phones or beepers for thorough enjoyment of today's presentation by yourself and others.
Good afternoon. It is my great pleasure to welcome you today to this very important commencement. I'd like to acknowledge the faculty, family, friends, and most importantly, the Doctor of Science and Master's student graduates. This is a very important milestone in your professional career and reflects the journey that you have begun and hopefully will continue. The knowledge that you obtain is very important from the standpoint of a profession, and you will go forward and contribute to the profession by influencing clinical treatment and by influencing policy. Your work strengthens the profession. The difference between a profession and a trade is that a profession is based on scholarship. Your journey through this path that involves scholarship will benefit the profession greatly. Your degree comes with a responsibility to your community and to your profession and to your families. I'd like to congratulate you on your achievements and also welcome you as permanent members of the Penn Dental Medicine family. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. For those that don't know, my name is Mark Wolf. I'm the Penn Dental Medicine Dean, proud Dean of the school. It's absolutely wonderful to welcome all of you here. We'll get out of the way that I'm a tearful kind of human being, so that's not unusual. Don't be surprised. He's not going to pass out. He's just getting choked up. I take a picture for Mom because she mandates that I have a picture of anybody I speak to, and, smile, everybody. There you go. I like the waving hands. She'll like that one. I'm pleased to welcome our honored guests, the faculty who have spent so much time teaching and helping people learn the art and science of health, on oral health specifically, the staff, the family, the friends, the alumni, and the soon-to-be alumni, the graduates of 2025. It's a privilege to have you join us in this celebration here in the Irvine Auditorium. For those unable to attend in person, we do have a live streaming event going on at this time. We welcome all of those who are outside the country or not here in Philadelphia with us. Life is filled with firsts, and for all of you, this degree represents a first right now for you. You're graduating as accomplished scholars, people of science, skilled in scientific methods and critical evaluations of data. Congratulations. You applied to Penn Dental Medicine because of its reputation for innovation, both in dentistry and in human health. Penn's ability to elevate health standards. Penn Dental Medicine has an incredible history as a school. We are one of 12 schools here at the University of Pennsylvania. We work closely together. Our university was founded by Benjamin Franklin in the 1740s. The University of Pennsylvania opened its doors in 1751 with Ben Franklin as its first president. It has a long legacy of leading society in difficult moments and in leading in science. The School of Dental Medicine opened in 1878. A graduate from our first class, W.D. Miller, defined the cause of tooth decay, dental caries, establishing the connection between fermentable carbohydrates, sugars, and tooth decay. Before that, it was a worm or bacteria that ate the side of the tooth. We learned that the tooth dissolves as a product of metabolism. Dr. Matthew Cryer, an oral surgeon, created the first hospital-based dental service in 1901, invented instruments that have since been named for him, and led the way in hospital dentistry for hospitals for dentistry. Dr. Lester Burkett, his belief in oral health was a window to systemic health. We'll get it. He actually defined oral medicine as a discipline and served as dean here from 1951 to 1972. There is not a dentist who did not use Dr. Burkett's book as the reference for oral medicine. Periodontal care and the modern standard of saving teeth were defined by Dean D. Walter Cohen and Morton Amsterdam during the 1960s and 70s, and that has continued with the school through to today. Dean Marjorie Jeffcoat helped define the link between dental and systemic health. Today's faculty are advancing modern ceramic dentistry, CAD/CAM dentistry, care for persons with disabilities, cancer care, inflammatory mechanisms of disease, nanotechnology in dentistry, and developing new vaccines for herpes, as well as plant-based chewing gums to combat COVID-19 and the flu. Just last year, Penn Dental Medicine celebrated the 70 years of public water fluoridation in Philadelphia, one of the first big cities in the United States to begin water fluoridation. Turns out that it was a 1901 graduate, Dr. Frederick McKay. He was the first dentist to recognize fluoride's effect on teeth. You're joining a legacy at Penn Dental Medicine of doctors dedicated to the progress and excellence in health as well as in dental health. Our central building was made possible by Dr. Thomas Evans, who in 1897 passed away and made a donation to build a school second to none. The Evans building opened in 1915. Oh, by the way, if any of you decide to leave a legacy gift, when he did that, it was $5.7 million. We built a building, opened the school, and we still issue scholarships based on that type of donation. But that was when $5.7 million amounted to a big pile of money. I invite all of you as we hold our soiree afterwards to come visit Penn Dental Medicine. It's a unique and novel place that is forever changing. It is not a 150-year-old school. It is a one-day-old school with a 150-year history. The impact of Penn Dental Medicine extends beyond academia to influence the Philadelphia community and the world. Our Centers for Clinical and Translational Research, Innovation in Precision Dentistry, Integrative Global Oral Health are all working to design policies and guidelines, make discoveries that will improve lives and quality of life. As students, you've witnessed the transformative power of science firsthand. Our community, all of our communities today face challenges, and you play a crucial role as trusted interpreters of science for the public. You represent the next hope for the scientific advances. We hope your experiences at Penn Dental Medicine will inspire you to commit to using your skills and knowledge to address healthcare inequities and to educate the next generation. You are now part of the solution. You arrived here as the world was emerging from a generational pandemic, which concluded due to an mRNA science that developed a vaccine here at Penn that saved millions of lives. Although none of us knew what the future held, our lives in the world have changed significantly since 2021. You studied evidence-informed science, evidence-informed dental materials and methods, experienced much more than those who came before you. You join an esteemed group of alumni who demonstrated insight and innovation and faith in science. These discoveries impact generations of individuals. As an alumnus, you're tasked with upholding the integrity of science amidst all forms of societal changes. What was the greatest societal change that emerged out of the COVID-19 epidemic? Was it the loss of faith in science? Many will say that has occurred. Perhaps it's the rise of alternative science, trying to prove your point with things that we as scientists know are not necessarily true. Perhaps it's the inability of a public to critically consume the information. In a society where measles and polio are on the rise, despite the fact that there have long been vaccines to prevent these diseases, we need individuals dedicated to science who can help the public navigate to the truth. It becomes important to each of us that under no circumstance do we allow misinformation, disinformation, or actual lies to sit in the presence of the public's mind. Utilize your curiosity, your intellect, and your passion to serve those in need and help change the world. As consumers of science, assist the public in sorting through disinformation, become educators, become inventors, and become the caregivers that will make a difference. Strive to be community leaders and the voices for building a better society for all, including those that cannot speak for themselves. At Penn Dental Medicine, you partnered with your faculty to restore dignity and self-confidence, pride of both patients, and make discoveries that will change the lives of others. You've helped restore function and health, not just oral health, but generally health. You're destined to become incredible leaders in the future. Educators, potentially deans. There are big things in store for each of you, but all of you have the ability to be the community leader. All of you have the ability to be the example for others as we all grow. In conclusion, you've been taught by an incredibly eminent faculty dedicated to advancing science and clinical technologies for the future. I extend my gratitude to the great staff and faculty here at Penn Dental Medicine for their support in your education. Recognize the contributions that your family and friends have made here at school. None of us got here on our own. We live on the shoulders of many others. As graduates, you join generations of Penn Dental Medicine alumni, always having their support wherever your career takes you. Your achievements will bring pride to your alma mater. Stay involved and share your accomplishments with us. I need to congratulate the class of 25. Thank you.
It's my pleasure now to begin the hooding ceremony. I invite each student's mentor on stage. Please stand as I say each of your names. To hood the students are Dr. Sunday Akintoyu, Professor, Director of Oral Medicine Research Program, Director, Master of Oral Health Science Program. Dr. Haidar Ali, Professor, Associate Dean for Faculty Development and Mentorship. Dr. Alonso Carrasco-Labra, Associate Professor, Director, Cochrane Oral Health Collaborating Center. Dr. Chaider Chen, Assistant Professor, Department of Oral Maxillofacial Surgery and Pharmacology, Dr. Joseph Fiorellini, Professor, Postdoctoral Director of Periodontics, Dr. Mitu Kohli, Clinical Associate Professor of Endodontics, Dr. Rupali Kulkarni, Assistant Professor of Oral Medicine, Dr. Alicia Reisner-Baumann, Assistant Professor and Associate Director, Kerr Center for Persons with Disabilities, Dr. Ezra Shangur, Associate Dean of Graduate Studies and Student Research and Associate Professor, Department of Periodontics, Dr. Catherine Thicken, Assistant Professor of Pharmacology, Dr. Yu Zhang, Professor of Restorative Dentistry, and the person who is going to distribute the diploma is Dr. Faizan Alawi, our Vice Dean for Academics.
Dr. Abdulaziz Muhammed Al-Shahrani. Dr. Maram Muhammed Bawazir. Dr. Nasser Al-Kandari. Dr. Mishari bin Hassan. Dr. Yusin Emily Chan. Dr. Ifoma Rita Chikalu. Dr. Diana Hirang Ju. Dr. Hazel Kerr. Dr. Caroline Grace Littlejohn. Dr. Nasser Malik Mohammed. Dr. Sean Mojaver. Dr. Doreen Reyhani. Dr. Kristen Ritchie. Dr. Heba Turkistani. Dr. Natasha Bevans. Yahya Abu Hassan. Rashid Fuat Acarme. Zoe Belen Brown. Spilin Irakozy. Jongyi Lee. John Robert Button. Dr. Mitu Raleigh Coley.
All right, congratulations to all the graduates. We invite you now, that concludes the official part of the ceremony. We invite everybody to first reception in school at 4:15. Please allow the graduates to leave the hall first, and then you'll have the opportunity to take the photographs with your family members and friends. Thank you all for coming, and enjoy the rest of the day.